understand that the country is going tough and wild, but why should Hookup be 250,000 naira? 250,000 naira to sleep with you? It's so difficult to afford pleasure now. Let me tell you how wild this thing is. A medical doctor who studied for 7 years gets his first job every month, saving lives. He earns 200,000 naira monthly. Now you are charging me 20k to save just my life for one night? Damn you! Do you know how annoying it is? Everything women monetize. You guys want money every time. A tall, dark, handsome guy must have money. Fat, short, have money. Fair, dark, have money. Everything money. Fuck you all.
Fuck you too.
It's so difficult being a man. You try girlfriend, they pay you. Try hook up 250k. You try your hands, pains. You try your hands, bro. Do you know how annoying it is? And some of you guys here, you guys will see a single lady, a single lady, a single lady. Yes, a fine single lady, a beautiful lady. You will now ask the lady, why are you single? She will now tell you, oh, my ex-boyfriend doesn't used to communicate with me, doesn't call me, and the communication was so low. You will now think that you can meet up. You will get into that relationship and discover that that girl is a call center agent. She's gonna call you, bro. She will call you by 5 a.m. to by 12 a.m. to say good night and call you to say good night post good night. Are you mad? She will call you. That girl's gonna call you to glory. See you, see wake it. Don't think you can meet up with anybody's communication, bro. You call me, you say hi to me, I said hi to you, good morning, okay? I'm at work. You're calling me again to say hi is work, they won't sack me, bro. And then you say, why do men cheat? Why do men cheat? Men do not cheat. Men only find temporary solution to temporary needs. We don't cheat. We still love you. Let me explain this to you. A man who supports Chelsea does not play in the Champions League, bro. Real Madrid is playing, he has to watch Real Madrid. That doesn't mean he doesn't like Chelsea. He's going to come back to Chelsea, bro. He's tired of seeing Jackson play. He wants to see Mbappe. He doesn't cheat. Men only find temporary solution to temporary needs. If you're a guy and you cheated, explain this to your girlfriend and watch her stab you. You guys say you think money can solve everything. Every time you cheat on a girl, you come with buy her gifts. It doesn't work. Say sorry. Apologize. You get? You think money can solve everything? Well, maybe it does. I remember one guy approached me. Yeah, stuff. A guy approached me, bro. The guy sent me nudes. I started insulting this guy. This guy just went to remove 10 from my number and put it on OP and send me 350k. I don't came over me, but I was like, baby, did you send him money? Like, babe. Damn it, I don't like doing gay jokes. The first time I won't come on straight. Damn it.
You know.
To you guys, but then don't forget that men do not cheat. Good night. My name is Oscar Franklin. Thank you so much.